Yo. Yeah, man. What year is this?
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
2019. Oh shit, we up there now. Okay. 2019 Maxima, y'all. Shield cover. And let's get it. And get this oil change done real fast. But the shield cover is the hardest part, and then it's pretty typical after that. 14. Check it out. So this one's a little weird. It has the bolt on the opposite side. So it's not 13. It's definitely 14. Boom. So you know 14. And the pan drop this way, not the other way. Normally it would drop this way. Try to be fancy. I still gotta find a filter, honestly. I don't even know what that's at. Oh, easy. So look, it's the pan. Filter. It's right here. It's pretty simple, y'all. Alright, got the plug. Filter. Alright, let's go. Do it with our fingers. Good old fashioned plug. And yeah, take out this this filter, which is right here. Black oil. This honestly is one of the cleanest. Really clean. So before the wind comes. And the gasket came out with that. Wow. Okay, let that drip out now. Showing the engines and shit, good looking.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, 2019 right there, y'all. Fresh. That's it though.